Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you what I made for Embellishments on the 11th. I'll tell you a little bit more about the collab, but in the meantime, this is the remnants of what I made, and let me show you what my attempt was. So I had these in my stash. I've had them in my stash since my daughter hiked the Appalachian Trail. I think she was 16 or 17 and she's now 29. So I haven't used them. I was going to make her a scrapbook at the time, and I don't know, it just never fit. But now that I'm doing a lot of mini albums and I'm going to do a series of camping and hiking mini albums, I wanted to have a bunch of them. So I took a picture of some hiking boots. I put them on my Cricut as an image. I did a couple of different steps. So I first just traced the outline of it, and that's the negative. And then I traced out the section. See, here's a section, there's a section, there's a section. So I traced that out. And I was going to print it out in different colors, but I ended up just doing one color. Then I did the bottom with the, like this line, and I don't know, I just did it in a couple of different steps. Now I look at it, I probably did it wrong. But anyhow, my first attempt at making a hiking boot came out like that. They don't look so bad. Now they were bigger than I wanted, and I thought these look a little bit like Converse sneakers. So, so that was attempt number one. Then I printed that one section with the 3 pieces on this like leather green paper, and they're not bad. I sort of think they look pretty good. I'll use them. They won't be the main focal feature, but I will use them. I glued everything down and then punched some holes and tied some, it was like waxed ribbon, waxed string I had in my stash for jewelry making. They were okay. Then I put on some black ribbon, and I had put on some eyelets. And I think that really, the eyelets really add that detail to make it stand out. Then I did it in that craft color, but before I put down the 3 sections, I took some distress ink and put it below so you could see the difference in the color. And they're okay. I mean, you can't tell that these are 3 pieces versus this actually is one little piece, and I could not do that on my Cricut. So that came out okay. Now these ones I did not put the eyelets on, but I did take a alcohol marker and put the lines on just to add some more detail. So I think they're getting better. I liked it better when I used the black waxed string. I like how those look. And when I put on this top layer, I did distress around the edges with some alcohol, no, not alcohol ink, Tim Holtz distress ink. Still getting better. Now these I put eyelets in, but I didn't put a tie on the laces. Actually, I was running out of the ribbon, so I just put that on. I think these are the same thing. I laced it up different. So what do you think? Are they getting better? Because here's the final product. I tied it at the top. I don't know that I like that. I think I like it better without the tie. What do you guys think? And do you like it better with the eyelet? Now this one is sort of a dull silver, and that's a shiny silver, but I don't think you can really, not much, tell the difference. But where does this guy go? He goes with that one. And then for kicks, I decided to make some with some colors I had in my scrap stash, because it was all about using scraps, right? What do you think about those? Would you hike in those? To me, they look more like Converse high tops rather than hiking shoes, but they were fun to make, and I don't know, I might use them, I might not. So anyhow, this collab is sponsored by Deb Houck of Deb Houcks Crafty Cottage. There are several other participants who are also making embellishments on the 11th. They're listed below. Check out what they've made in embellishments on the 11th and give them all a like and maybe comment and share the love. So let me know which ones you like best. Do you like with the black ribbon, with the bow, with the leather look, or maybe that's your style? I mean, it's sort of shiny paper. It's holographic dots in it. I tried to do something really outlandish after I did all this brown. But all right, thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.